Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's continue talking about loops in Java. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the while loop in Java. So first, let me explain how loop works. So I think I've talked this before. So we basically have some starting point, okay? Starting point, which is basically a number. We have then the endpoint, okay, endpoint, and then we have a what is called an increment, okay. So the starting point is a number, the endpoint is another point, and the increment is a step, okay. And we also have a what is called a condition, okay. So I'm gonna create a very simple example here. So I'm gonna create our starting point. It's going to be an integer. Let's call counter. Okay, very famous variable when it comes to loops. Let's create another one called limit. So the limit is going to be 8. Okay. And our while loop is going to do the following. So if you read as in English, we could say while something something. So while counter is less than limit. Okay. So counter is a what it calls a sentinel in a while loop. Okay. So while we have this here be less than this, we're gonna do the following. So if I want to write a infinite loop, I could just do system.out.println I'm infinite. Okay, let's run this. I hope my computer doesn't crash. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's printing I'm infinite without stopping. Let's stop this. Okay, so I've printed I think hundreds of I'm infinite, so you guys can see, because I'm not I'm not I'm not going to meet this criteria here that is to achieve this. So so we need to do something here. We need to increment the counter, because counter is always going to be equal 0 if I don't increase its value. So the infinite loop happens here because I have the following: counter is equals to 0, okay, and limit is equals to 8. So every time I'm asking, it's 0 less than 8, and the answer is always going to be yes if I don't increase the counter. So I have to have some kind of mechanism here to increase the value of counter. So I could do, if I want to increase 1, I could do counter equals counter plus 1. Okay, and I want to print the value of counter. So you're gonna see its values, so you guys can see. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is pretty much the explanation of this loop. There's not much to it, but instead of doing this, we don't use counter equals counter plus 1. We just do counter plus plus, okay, which increases the value of counter by 1. So if I increase by 2 or by 3, I would usually do plus equal, so plus equal to. If I do this, I'm gonna see 0, 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna talk about more when it comes to do a while loop in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.